Welcome, students. This video has been created to guide you through the application form process. Please note, all fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory and must be completed in order to move on to the next stage of the form. Watch the video carefully to ensure you understand each step. To start your application with Regent Business School, please use the following link. Kindly begin by entering your personal information, including your full name, surname, ID number, email address, and other relevant details. Please ensure that your chosen password includes at least one uppercase letter, one special character, and one numeric digit. For example, Regent at 1. Create new application by clicking New Application. Please ensure that you complete the form from left to right, clearly indicating your selected responses. The Learning Center field should reflect the campus closest to your place of residence. If you have been in contact with a dedicated student advisor, kindly select their name from the list provided before proceeding. This will ensure that they are assigned to guide and support you throughout your academic journey. Personal details. Please note, all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory and must be completed. Please ensure that you provide the details of a designated contact person under the Next of Kin section. This should be someone whom Regent Business School may contact in the event that you are unavailable or unreachable. To confirm that each tab has been completed correctly and saved, a green tick will appear next to the respective tab. Under the Previous Education section, please provide details of your most recently completed qualification, whether it is a metric certificate or a tertiary degree. Exemption details. If you have recently completed your metric year, please note that this tab will not display any ticks. Simply save and proceed to the next section. If you have previously completed a qualification through Regent or another institution and wish to apply for credit exemptions, kindly select Block 2. Credit exemptions. Should you wish to apply for a qualification for which you do not currently meet the formal entry requirements, please select Block 1. Apply for RPL, recognition of prior learning, and proceed accordingly. Employment details. Should you be unemployed, you can simply save and proceed. If you are employed, kindly let us know your employment details. Finance information. Please note that this section is important, as it enables your student advisor to provide you with the correct quotation details. Kindly ensure that you select the appropriate payment plan, whether it be a cash payment or a monthly installment option. If you are being funded by your company, please ensure that the information provided in this section reflects the contact details of your HR representative or manager. Documentation. Please ensure that all documents are uploaded in PDF format, as files in any other format will not be accepted by the system. All documents marked with a red asterisk are mandatory and must be submitted as part of your application for our selections team to review and provide a response. Documentation size must not exceed 5 MB. Declaration and application submission. Once all required documents have been successfully uploaded, you may proceed to the declaration section. When ready, kindly click Agree and Submit to finalize your application. Please note, if the system does not allow you to submit the declaration, it indicates that one or more tabs have not been completed correctly. To ensure successful submission, please verify that each tab displays a green tick, confirming that all sections have been properly completed. You have successfully completed your application to study at Regent Business School. Please make sure to take note of your application number, as it will be required for future reference and correspondence.